What up? It's your boy back with another snowy video of destruction. No, I'm just kidding. back with another school bus coming at me, of course. Isn't a day without school bus mayhem at the monster truck Alright, sorry, I couldn't help it. You know that sounds just like that. Come on, don't play. Anyways, so it's another snowy day out here in beautiful Minnesota. This is why we live here, because we love seasons, especially the ones that suck. But yeah, you know, like I always tell you, anytime that we get some decent snow, I'm gonna be out here playing in it, and your boy's out here playing in it. We're supposed to get around 3 to 5, hopefully minimum, mandatory 3 to 5. No, we really need it though. I mean, okay, obviously we don't need it, but I love it. It's fun to play with. It's cool to see. Snow is very nice. It's very pretty. And I enjoy driving in it. A lot of people hate driving in it though. They're like, it's snow, let's stay in the house. I'm like, it's snow, let's go outside. Ugh. In case you guys are wondering, because it's the most common question I have on here, I am running Goodyear Duratrax. That is what I am running. I only got about sorry, I had to think, and when I thought, anyway, so yeah, Goodyear Duratrax, 285, I think, 285 70 R18s. They're a pretty chunky tire, very good gripping tire. I would say I see them very, very commonly. Very, very common tire, I would say. I see them all the time. You know, whenever I see I'm a tire, well, I'm not really a tire guy, but I like tires. You know, I like some beefy, knobby tires, and whenever I see a nice Jeep or a big truck or anything with some big old knobby tires on it, I kind of, you know, I don't like the way that looks. I go over there and take a look. I need some more heat. I need some more heat over here, man. Bring me some heat. Some heat over here, man. Fifth Element reference, if you guys didn't catch that. But, yeah, you can see the ice is like building up, unfortunately. I'm trying to get some more heat on that thing. Go to full power. Yeah, a little bit of full power on that thing. Yeah, we are in the Z71 08 Chevy Tahoe. Got the Duratrax on her, so she stands a little higher, a little more aggressive than normal. Got some LED head or tail lights and some projector headlights, and you know, the old covers over the window there. Cannot remember. Throw that in the comments if you can. I can't even remember what they're called right now. I'll probably remember at the end of the video. But so yeah, I mean, haven't really done too much to it. I already went the wrong way now that I think about it. Oh, I'm going to have to take the rep around. Yeah, I wasn't really trying to get on the freeway. It's not that. Go ahead, you can come over. Go ahead. Feel free. Front wheel drive is hard. I understand. I'm right here with you. I feel for you. No, but I'm not trying to get on the freeway, because a lot of people, even though they're born and raised in Minnesota, they get on some snow and they're like, oh my, what is this wet stuff? Is it slippery? Oh my gosh, it is. I didn't know it was. So I don't really go on the freeway too much during the snowstorms. Oh my goodness. Right? No? Yes? No? Can't tell. Is that our first crash we saw already? Are these people off the... Oh, that car's in the ditch. You see that? shit, that car is in the ditch. Well, you probably can't see it with all my... Oh, there we go. Car in the ditch. Dang, that's impressive. That is all the way up in the ditch. That dude does not do anything halfway. I hope he's all right, though. All jokes aside, hope dude's okay. I'm pretty sure everybody was okay because they didn't literally look like anything major was going on. They just looked like they couldn't get out. But yeah, I'm about to do this looper. Oh, look at the Mercedes. Like, don't hit my beautiful Mercedes. I hear you. If I had a Mercedes, I wouldn't be driving it right now. Hey, it looks like you. That's brand new, man. You got dealer plates on that thing, you know? I definitely wouldn't be driving that. I know it's probably AWD, but you can, I don't want my baby out here. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love the Tahoe, but this is what I got it for, you know? Well, I didn't get the Tahoe for this. I actually got it to haul my children around, but these wipers ain't going enough. The wipers going a little bit more. But yeah, I did what every true Minnesotan should have done and winterized. That's the, I can't even think of the name. It's not the Evo, it's the Lancer. There you go. Try to do what every good Minnesotan should do and winterize your vehicle. You know, make sure you can handle the winter. And if you can't, buy one of those. It's called a Jeep. I know that no one's holding. Oh, he's out! He's out! That guy's already out of the ditch. Very nice. That Tundra just yanked him out. Yeah. I used to do that with the Jeep. I used to just go around and pull people out. You know, you'd think with this big old V8 it'd be twice as easy, but had a couple people complain about, you know, damages to their vehicle or something. I'm trying to help them do them a favor, trying to get them out of a tough spot, and they're complaining because I might have hurt their vehicle. And, you know, obviously before I even got anywhere near their vehicle, I'm like, hey, just so you know, I'm trying to help you out. And still, I kind of got the vengeance. Couple ladies, I'm not, you know, obviously, you know, a man. Well, I can't really say that, you know. I like to say most guys out there would be appreciative no matter what you did to their car, unless you did major damage. But, you know, I had a lady out there. She was freaking out. I was trying to, you know, be Captain Save-A, you know what, and kind of backfired on me. But, you know, I learned my lesson the hard way, and now a lot of people that I see in the ditch don't get my help, and, you know, it's kind of crappy to let other people suffer because of two bad examples out there. But unfortunately, that's just how this world works, you know. You get stung a couple times and you're done. You're done playing. You don't want to get stung again. Oh, look at this beautiful, beautiful snowy road. Like, you can't even see to the end of it. It's magnificent. I shouldn't even be out here. I am so sick. I'm just getting over the flu. My back is hurting so bad, I can't even stand up straight. I threw up for about 14 hours about 2 days ago. And I'm still not fully over. You know how your body hurts from that kind of ordeal. So that's what I'm going through right now. Back's still killing me. God, this snow is gorgeous. Can't help but want to drive in it. Oh great, my check light just came on. Uh-oh. I don't know what that means, but I don't like it. But we're in it, we're enjoying it. This beautiful snowy weather. And we're letting you guys know what the best way is to get through it. Now, obviously, this goes without saying, but I'm still gonna say it. Get you some snow tires. Come on. I mean, come on. Get some snow tires. You from Minnesota, get some snow tires. Now, me, I have never bought any snow tires. You know, it's kind of feels a little dumb to say, get you some snow tires, come on, and you've never bought them yourself. But in my defense, I always get mud terrain tires or an aggressive tire pattern get, you know, like a mud terrain tire. And, you know, mud terrain is obviously not as good as a snow tire, but I feel about it this way. My mud terrain tires are better for deep snow. Snow tires are better for this stuff we got going on right now, and ice. You're gonna get way more grip on some snow tires with some ice and some hard packed snow versus the mud terrain tires, because, well, obviously they have big knobs on it and they're made to go in the mud. But I'm telling you, these mud terrains in the deep snow, you're not paying attention, you go over one of these side curbs on the side there and you hit all that snow, or you do like old boy did back there and you end up on the curb, or not on the curb, but in that shallow kind of side of the freeway. Not too bad, but you just don't got the tires to get out. Like, I would have got out. He didn't have four-wheel drive. No. He did not have big tires. No. But I think I would have got out. Oh man, don't hit the brakes. Don't hit the brakes. Come on. Come on, rookie. Why would you slam on your brakes and lose control when you could just go straight? You have no need to hit your brake. There's no one in front of you. I'm nowhere near you back here. What you doing? What you doing? Why would you hit your brakes? If anything, that would have caused you to lose control. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to get upset or like try to act like I know it all. Because let me tell you right now, I am not an expert on winter. Oh, tell me you see that. Nope, I'm not doing that. Oh, the train is coming. We ain't doing that. Guess I'm turning around. What's up, Abbott? How you doing? Come on, I know you want to turn. Don't fight it. Yeah, I'm good on that. All right. We're back going the other way now. I just do not want to wait for that train. I don't think it'll be too long, but I'm not trying to go too far from the till in the first place, you know. Gotta stay close to home. In case something happens to the wife, I gotta go bail her out or something. I don't want to get too far. But yeah, extreme winter weather. We're gonna get 5 inches minimum, I think they said, actually. Did they say 3? I'm not sure if they said 3 to 5 or not. I'm pretty sure. Nah, I'm gonna go with my original. I'm gonna go with 3 to 5 still. 5 is about. Okay, 5 inches is about the level where you wanna. Hey, I don't own a truck. Hey, I don't own a Jeep. Hey, I don't have expensive or nicer tires on my vehicle. I shouldn't leave my house. That's my opinion. Million comments. No, man, I got this and that. I got a Honda Civic, and I put my BlizzX tires on there, and I go out there and 2 foot of snow. I don't care. That's just how it is with YouTube, man. No matter what. Also, kind of getting off topic. I'm sorry. I gotta ask you though. Isn't it crazy how YouTube videos? It doesn't matter what the YouTube video is. There will always be thumbs down. I swear, there's a guy out there, like literally trying to find the most like inspiring, beautiful, or lighthearted videos, and they're like, thumbs down, ha 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 ha, troll. Seriously, I was literally on the hunt. YouTube challenge, see if you can find it. Go find a video with no thumbs down. That's not new. Guarantee you won't find it. You know why? Because it doesn't exist. The no thumbs down video does not exist. I don't care if you watch somebody saving an infant and feeding the homeless. There's gonna be, if there's 6,000 likes, there's at least 1,000 thumbs down. Now, how is that possible? how do you have someone saving an infant, being nice, or something as like simple as a vet coming home and surprising their kid and having a big reaction? Why would you thumbs down that? Somebody explain that to me. I know you trolls are going to be in my comment section. Explain why you do that crap. I want to know. You're going to thumbs down somebody saving an infant's life because they were choking. Seriously? You don't believe me? Get on YouTube. Look it up. You will see thumbs down. All right, I'm over it. I'm done with the rant. I'm sorry. Back to this. It just hurts me though. I hate it. Like, why is there always those people out there? Anyways, sorry. So back to the good stuff. In summary of the winter drive, I love to drive in the snow. If you are properly prepared, you will have no problems, and you might actually enjoy it. I mean, I do. I really like it. I mean, don't get me wrong, I drive for a living, so I don't like to get in my work vehicle and drive in snow. No way. No, obviously you don't need to ask why, because obviously it probably doesn't get very good traction or doesn't drive really well. But yeah, the thing I enjoy the most is just how beautiful everything looks covered in snow. It really does look gorgeous out here. You know, sunshine is really nice, but snow's not bad either. And I suggest, you know, if you living in these states where, giving him all the breathing room he can stand on the other side of the road here. How you doing, man? If you live in one of these states where you got snow, I suggest you make at least one of your vehicles a winter weather vehicle. You know, obviously my wife's not going to turn our Toyota Sienna into a lifted monster truck or anything like that, or obviously she's not going to put huge tires on it, but you know, we got her some snow tires, and I ain't got that. Okay, he's turning. Never can tell, man. People put on their blinkers and they're not turning a lot of the time, so you really gotta watch. I like these driving videos. I'm sorry, I like to look up driving videos myself. You know, it's almost like you're taking a drive from your desk or, you know, your phone or whatever you're looking this up on. It's kind of nice, you know. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to put your coat on. You just, you know, get in the whip with me and I'll take you around. Yeah, we were going slow. If there was no freaking snow here, I would have been turned already. I can't even turn because I know this guy ain't gonna be able to slow down. Now I can go. Come on. All right. Look at that beautiful lake. Oh, can't really see it that well. It really is gorgeous out here, man. I would. One of these days I'm gonna have to drive you guys out to the sticks and let you really see that gorgeous scenery. I'm telling you, it just looks so nice out here when that fresh snow hits. Wow, getting that tire noise of destiny today. Holy crap. That's how knobby tires are, you know. Even if with low tread, you just get a little bit less noise. I don't know. Tell me if you have one of these. It's a STI or Evo. Let me know how your driving's going, you know. I know. I already probably know what you guys are going to say. Man, I put them BlizzX tires on. I'm sorry. I've just heard it so many damn times. Man, I put those BlizzX tires on. There's nothing I can't do. It's like, yes, BlizzX tires are very nice. Yes, they are. They're very nice tires. I cannot even begin to to lie about that. But you cannot just put Blizzx tires on anything and go through 5 feet of snow. You put Blizzx tires on your Volkswagen Beetle, you ain't going too far, you know? People having fun at the park. But alright, I'm gonna call it on this video. I'm back to the house. Well, I'm close to it anyways. Just hit the corner and I'll be there. And had some good times driving in the snow. Didn't go too far. Might shoot another video where we get some more snow on the ground. You can see pretty much everywhere we go. It's, you know, people are driving on it, so you don't really have much snow on the ground. Just kind of falling right now. Seems that everybody really enjoys these winter driving videos. If there's any videos or any topics or anything you want to see, feel free to shoot me a comment. You know, if you want to see some snow drifting or I don't know, I probably won't do it. Well, maybe, I don't know. Good. Oh, that dude's going fast. Yeah, I don't know. I guess if you want to see more of country style driving, or if you want to see the freeway more often, or you guys want to see downtown, see what downtown looks like covered in 3 inches of snow, let me know. Shoot me them comments. But until next time, hit that like button. I always use those likes. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm almost at 150 subscribers. I know that's nothing for a lot of those YouTuber giants out there that... I saw this one lady, I have never even heard of her, but she has over 1 million views. Every video she's got, it's got over 1 million views. I think she's dating The Rock though, so that's kind of cheating. But still, she's got like 1 million views for every video. So that's pretty nice. I know she's not worried about paying no bills, especially dating The Rock, but that's neither here nor there. But yeah, feel free to hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.